This is how I use ChatGPT Atlas to help me invest. So right now I'm trying to look into Robinhood. It's made great gains so far, especially in the past 5 years on this exponential explosive growth. I was trying to figure out, is it too late to get in? Because I really like Robinhood. I like how it's literally like the story of Robinhood. You're taking from the rich and giving to the poor. A lot of new young retail investors tend to be on the younger side. So for the new generation, they're helping them try to get in on someone as well. Because a lot of the investment market is limited to really rich folks and institutional investors. See, like when it's on our new chat, so I open this thing on the side. Like, look at this. It already proposes a few things. I summarize key metrics for this asset. You find news or suggest, okay. So I click on summarize metrics and compare performance. What the heck? Right, so for some reason I wasn't able to read the web page, but I had already ran this earlier. I just wanted to re-demonstrate for you guys. But here is what it said. Let's go to this. P/E ratio 68 indicates strong growth expectations relative to current earnings. So investors are pricing in early they're willing to pay a premium for the future growth, return on investment that they will get. Average volume, so it's like 20 million shares on today. 52-week range, so wow. In January of 2025, it was barely at $40, $23, and now at the end of the year, it blew up to $153. 260% year-to-date performance. Wow. Next earning date, November 5th. They even tell you the earning date, so it's pretty cool. Earnings per share estimate. And then this rating, 71% buy. So then Robinhood beat the S&P 500 like 20 times. Factor of 20. Okay. High P/E ratio of 68 signals that investors are pricing in aggressive growth expectations. I like ChatGPT in that it makes recommendations as well. So do you want to look into Coinbase or SoFi too? Yes, look into both of them. So that was kind of instant. That was weird. I didn't really think. The P/E ratio, negative earnings. So what that tells me is SoFi is investing into their future, right? If they're not profitable and they're burning cash, they're burning it on something, they're investing for the future. Let's look at CrowdStrike. So how I searched was I hit the slash or the question mark key on my laptop, and that opens up the search bar in the Robinhood browser, and then I was able to look at CrowdStrike. So CrowdStrike is cybersecurity. Almost every Windows laptop runs this. Like when you launch your laptop, it's like one of the first things you see. Look at their P/E ratio, negative 440. So they are investing heavily into their future right now. In the next video where I show gameplay of cloud gaming on GeForce Now, I'll kind of explain my stance on why cybersecurity is a good investment, especially with CrowdStrike for the future, and how it ties into how everything's going to be on the cloud, etc. Wow, okay, so Coinbase did pretty good too, 175%. SoFi is up 65%. Wow. Now I'm going to ask it, why did these three make so much gains? I have a feeling it has to do with cutting interest rates, the Federal Reserve, surge retail trading activity, market volatility, and AI-driven bull market. Crypto's been blowing up like crazy as well. Robinhood earns from uninvested cash and margin loans, high interest income, product expansion. They wrote out prediction markets and retirement investing. Okay, Coinbase, crypto resurgence. So crypto was blowing up and then it's saying it dipped back down. I believe the floor is like $102,000. If it hovers around that too long, it's gonna dip, signaling the next cycle, signaling the end of this cycle and then into the new cycle. And then I would buy this, what one of my friends was telling me. Coinbase cut costs and improving profitability. CrowdStrike, year to date, no way. Oh shit, okay, I didn't even know it blew up. What the heck? AI fueled cybersecurity today, yep. Yeah, AI, everything's gonna be in the cloud. That's why CrowdStrike's investing. Governments and corporations both spending more on cyber resilience. Investor rotation to AI infrastructure. CrowdStrike is viewed as a critical layer of AI era defense, like NVIDIA is for hardware. It's tied into tech and AI. There you go. So yep, that's how I use ChatGPT Atlas for investing.